Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain you to reveal how to make the best Neapolitan pizza at home. It's quite easy. What you need is a frying pan and an oven, a kitchen oven, This frying pan is very thin. It might be a crepe pan. It's not so deep, because this pan is going to go inside your oven between the grid and the grill. This is very important. So you have to preheat your oven to preheat your pan as well, you see. So switch the stove on and try to reach the temperature of 250 degrees, not 300. 300 is too much, so 250 is enough. So start making your base. Remember, don't push the border, don't do it. Push starting from the middle, because in this way you will save the border, which will raise in the best way possible as for Neapolitan pizza. So do it while your frying pan is on the stove, and put your base in the frying pan. I know it's not easy at the beginning, but you can find many videos in my YouTube channel where you can learn how to make every step. So put your tomato on the base. You can learn how to make the best tomato as well. So try to fill the base, but don't put tomato on the border, otherwise it doesn't raise. So it's time to put a little bit of Parmesan and Pecorino Romano cheese if you can find it, otherwise Parmesan is enough. Then mozzarella, it's like a stick, over pizza. Then basil, some leaves of basil, fresh basil, some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then the magic starts. So while the stove is on, pizza is cooking, of course. So at some point it's good to check if it's done. So let's wait maybe 1 minute. It depends, the temperature of your pan, which takes 5-10 minutes to preheat in the best way possible, So now it's time to put the pan inside the oven, but be careful, leave the door open, otherwise it's a mess, as you can imagine. The plastic can liquefy. So and this is the best way to leave the grill on, because if the door stays open, the grill never switches off, and this way it keeps on, and the temperature is kept on the maximum possible. So as you can see, the frying pan is very close to the grill, which is red, high temperature, Vesuvius temperature, and this allows pizza to rise in the best way possible, as should be for a Neapolitan pizza. Because usually the temperature in the oven is around 270, the maximum possible. But I checked that the temperature over the grill is around 350, which is enough to make a good Neapolitan pizza. You see? Can you see the smoke? It's because, pizza is cooking well. So while pizza was cooking, I also turned the pan in order to cook every side. But at some point I needed to take pizza out from the oven and to manually turn the side which was not well cooked. You see? Now let's completely turn pizza. let's jump under the grill for extra 30 seconds. So the time, it depends on the oven, but usually the time inside the oven might be around 90 seconds, 100 seconds, which is the typical time spent in a real stoned oven. It's done. It's done. You see? This is as a Neapolitan pizza should look like. It's not crispy, it's very soft. The mozzarella shape is kept, it's not liquefied, and pizza looks very soft, very good. I personally made the QA testing pizza, and I also cut pizza just to see the inside, and it's well cooked. So actually this is the best way to cook pizza at home. I'm not saying that 600,000 people who watched the Italian video said that, so try it and let me know. I think you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.